Holy cow! An 11% CAP rate in South Florida? You bet! Residential income with many units having been updated and one more duplex is being brought online. Electrical has been brought up to code. Some new septic drain fields and one new septic tank have been installed. New AC and A-frame 2-story home, center of community. Newer fencing and complete termite treatment throughout the complex. 4 contiguous parcels include 3 bytes per ranking 2-bath main residence with carport, workshop, barn, pay washer-dryer facility for the community. First parcel contains 5 fully rented, annual leases, with 2 more units, 1 duplex, coming online. Plenty of space to build new units. Parcel 2 contains a 2,000 square feet A-frame home. Parcels 3 to 4 contain 3 2/bedroom 1/bath duplexes, all with impact glass, new concrete porches, freshly painted.